Hello and welcome again in another video. Today we will upgrade the LeadsLeap account to Pro membership. You can see here up on the page here, Black Friday deal. Save 50% on Pro price locked in forever. As you see here, locked in forever. So next month you will not pay $27, you will pay $23. So we will click here on that advertisement here, what you see here, or we will click on upgrade to Pro. Upgrade from here to Pro or upgrade from here. I will click on that Black Friday deal. So we will go now to the page upgrade. This is the page upgrade to Pro. Look at here. Why Pro members stick around for years and love it. Pro does the heavy lifting for you. More traffic, more leads, and more automation. So you can focus on growing your business. You will get with this $23 per month, you will get Pro ads, get traffic automatically, no credit needed. You will get 10 Pro ads, social review, get highly targeted prospects from LeadsLeap and search engines. Look at here, search engines traffic from Google, from Yahoo, from a lot of search engines. Here, email series, automatic follow-up emails, keep your audience, stay engaged. Blog or video to email, turn blog or YouTube into email broadcasts automatically. No limits, unlimited lists, pages, and opt-in forms, pop-ups. PDF link rebrandr. Viral tool that top leaders use to explode their leads. Hassle-free file management, host images and PDFs in-house, fast and easy. So we'll go to compare plans. Look at here, compare plans, free membership. You will see a lot of differences between the free membership, that is forever now trial, and the best choice. This is the best choice, Pro membership. You can lock it this month, November to December, $23 per month. Black Friday deal or White Friday. I say it White Friday. It's good to say White Friday. Look at here, a lot of advantages, a lot of tools you can get. Look at here, traffic from members area, blog, cooperate all. That's for free. For paid membership, you will get 65% co-op traffic, members area, and we know that co-op traffic is the best traffic. Members area, members emails, PPC ad will get, link tracker, and blog. Those are the percentage of traffic you will get with this Pro membership. And here you see a lot of trackers, and you will get 4 credits for 5 serves. Here you will get 1:5 ratio. List manager, as you see, page builder. You can here on free limit 10 pages. You can create 10 pages, and here you can create unlimited, as you see. A lot of tools, leads network, earning ability, credit engagement, and PPC earning, co-op, daily active bonus, and commissions. Here 25% for free members, and here 50% for recurring members. Here click on PayPal. Sabone, if you have PayPal, you can pay it $23 with PayPal, or you can pay it with Visa or MasterCard. From here, if you have a Stripe account, you can pay with Stripe. If you don't have, you can pay with the card directly. Here, as you see, no Stripe account required. And here, LeadsLeap balance, because I have some balance here. LeadsLeap balance, and you can contact the email. If you don't have the LeadsLeap balance, you can contact them. Look at here, your Pro membership has been activated. You can now go to Pro ads and submit your ads. I have activated now the page. This is a monthly recurring subscription. Please ensure that there are sufficient funds in your LeadsLeap balance before the next billing cycle on. You can top up your account balance if necessary. If you want to cancel it, you may do so anytime. You can either go to account to locate the cancel pro button here if you want to cancel, and you can here see everything here in the dashboard. So I will now, and you see here, thank you for your order. I have paid $23. Look at here, I have pro here, pro, and I will refresh the page, and you will see the $25 will go. Click on dashboard. Look at here, I have now $2 in balance, so I have paid $23. Next billing is the next month. For example, here we are in 20 November, in 20 December the next billing. Now I am a pro member, so I will go to post pro ads from here, post pro ads from here, post pro ads. This is my pro ads. This is our premium advertising. So here you can add new ad from here, add new ads from here, add new ads like that, and this is the ad. Click on here on edit and here click on the URL and paste your URL here. You can paste your URL here. So I have some URLs. I will open the page manager from here. This is the page manager. I will open it and add my URLs. Look at here, I am in the page manager. Here, for example, traffic blaster affiliate page. I will copy this page because I have created a page. So I will return back. I will post here the URL like that. And we will open this page to get some description. So and here I will go back to this page, copy this short description, go to pro ad and paste the catchy title here. So the title is so long, we have maximum 25 characters, so the title will not work. So title is so long. I will try to shorten the title. So I will cut all this description until I get 25 characters like this. It is 51 character. I will try to shorten the title. I will shorten more the title to get it a cute title or a catchy title like that. I will like that, traffic blaster, and add text. Here the add text also is 8 character and the maximum is 16 character. So I will go back to copy this image and paste it. Look at here, text is too long. The add text is too long. So now I will try to shorten the add text. I will shorten it like this. I will try to remove some descriptions like this. Traffic blaster is a high quality buyer and verified BISO. That's it. That's fine. So we are now we try to add a pro ad. It's a paid ad. Look at here. This is the traffic blaster logo. I will try to save it in my desktop like this. I will save the image. I will click on save the image like this. I will go back to the pro ad. Click here to add. I will upload image like this. I will go to the image, select it. This is the image as you see. I will click on the mark like this. Now it's okay. And select the category and here by default automatic. Let it automatic by default. And everything is fine. Save and submit. That's it. Okay, your ad has been submitted. Now I will go to the pro ads, post another ad like that, and you will see the ad is posted. As you see here, this is the logo of Traffic Blaster, and the ad is active, as you see. 20 November 2025. That's it. You can multiply these ads to get more traffic to your website. You have 10 ads. Now 10 ads. Now I have added one ad. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to upgrade your account to Pro membership and benefit from this $23.